All right, so I kind of want to give you just a visual example of what does it mean to create a comparison model and how do we use a comparison model to solve comparison problems. So with that being said, I'm going to give you an actual example just for you to look at and reference. Let's say, for example, that I have 3 times as many dogs as cats. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a visual that represents 3 times as many dogs as cats. It looks like this. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so those represent my dogs. I'm going to write dogs right here. And then under here, I'm going to put cats. All right, 3 times as many dogs as cats. Can everybody see that? All right, good. All right. Together, these dogs and cats weigh 28 pounds. Meaning if I put the weight of all of these dogs and cats together, that's going to be 28 pounds. All right. If I'm asked to find the weight of just the cats, all right, how would I go about doing that? Very simple. I'm going to check, and I don't know the value of these numbers. All right, so since I don't know the values of these numbers, I'm going to put the letter n in there as a variable because it's an unknown number. And that it's going to allow me to set up a multiplication equation. I'm going to count how many actual squares I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 of those squares, and I know all of them have a value of n. I do not know the value of n, okay? However, I do know the total of all of these n's together equals 28. So now what I have is an equation with an unknown variable. 4 times n equals 28. All right, now all I have to do then is just simply count by 4s and list my multiples of 4 until I get to 28. Now, for me mentally, I can count by 4s, and I know that 4 times 7 equals 28. So I know that the value of n equals 7. Because 4 times 7 equals 28. And a reminder, I have 4 of these boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of these boxes represents, now I know, it equals 7. So that equals 7. Each of these boxes is going to equal 7. 7, 7, 7. If I'm just asked the weight of the cats, it's just 7. If I'm asked the weight of the dogs, I have 7, 1, 2, 3 times. It's 21. If I ask to put it all together, I have 21 here, plus 7, and 21 plus 7 equals 28. All right, so that is how we kind of use a comparison model to help us write equations, and also helps us to solve comparison problems. Hopefully that helps to clarify some things for you guys. Stay tuned for some more videos as I continue to try to give you some support to help you have success in math. Take care.